Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Winter Florals box. This is the monthly box for the month of December. Let me show you what is in this box. In this box is a sticker book with 30 sheets, one mini planner cover, also known as the B6 cover, one notebook with dot grid, one pen and one washi tape. Let me show you all the products. This is the planner cover of the box. It fits a mini happy planner or other same size planners. This is how it looks on the inside. It has two pockets where you can add like sticker sheets or paper sheets or other accessories. Let me show you how this looks with a planner inside. This is how you add your mini happy planner to the cover. You can of course also use it like this, and it easily can be closed, and that's how it fits in this cover. Isn't this pretty? Okay, then we have this notebook with dot grid. Isn't it cute? You can add this to the elastics. Of this notebook, and I already added the washi tapes to show you. And then you can even add it also to your planner, so you can use this as a little notebook to add some quick notes when you're on your way, or even you can use it as a little memory keeping book. And then the next product is the 1 centimeter washi tape. It has the same florals as the cover, and this is how it looks like on paper. Isn't it pretty? I really love it. Then we have the beautiful pen with black ink, purple gems and blue pen. It fits perfectly with your cover. Then we're having the Winter Floral sticker book. I'm so in love with this sticker book. Let me show you the inside. This sticker book is also individually available in the web shop. So what do you think of the Winter Florals box? This is everything what is inside this box. This box is available to order as subscription on December 1 or one-time purchase for $35. Thank you for watching this video. See you at the next one. Bye.